Hello, and welcome to MarkSharks. In today's episode, we continue our journey into Sultanpur, Haryana at Chandu village, where MarkSharks has teamed up with Vinay Public School, a private school founded by Mr. Nagendra. Over the last few months, Vinay Public School has been using MarkSharks to teach its students and to prepare them for the upcoming board examinations. We took this opportunity to pay a visit to Vinay Public School and ask teachers and administration how effective MarkSharks has been in helping them with their studies and exam preparations. We then asked a few questions to a teacher at Vinay Public School.
I am teaching mathematics here.
For classes?
From class 6 to 10.
How was your experience using MarkSharks to teach your students?
I have experience of 11 years since teaching mathematics years. But this time I am using MarkSharks app from 6 months. And it is helping me and the students also, because by using the MarkSharks app, I got that this is explaining everything in an experiment way, and by this way, students learning everything in a short time. That helps the students also, and I am getting a lot of knowledge myself also. So I think that it will help to enhance our marks and enhance our knowledge.
Has MarkSharks given you the ability to help your students on a more personal level?
I will be saying that it will help the students that is below the 60%, 70% marks, because it has a deep knowledge on the basic concepts.
Would you recommend MarkSharks to other teachers?
Yeah, it's sure. Because it is good for the average student. It's best, not good, it can be said that it is best for the average students. It will be beneficial for all the students and teachers also.
Have you been using MarkSharks' many features while teaching your students?
Yeah, because there is given a pre-test and post-test chapters. By this, every teacher can give a home assignment for the students. By doing this, this will be considered as a homework. It will be checked. By this app, there is given a solution also, because there is given a complete explanation of all the questions.
Yes.
So it will save the time. If you will be asked from all other school teachers and all other that have used this, he will suggest you like me. It will be beneficial, surely, no any doubt.
Finally, MarkSharks took the chance to speak to the school's head of administration to get their perspective on incorporating MarkSharks into their school curriculum.
Hi, my name is Vinay. Right now, I'm serving as a managing director in a secondary school.
Was it challenging incorporating MarkSharks into the school's ethos?
MarkShark करता क्या है? It explains everything. How we have to teach, how our students should learn, and what is there to teach. MarkShark को implement करना बहुत easy था, बहुत अच्छा था.
So then, is it safe to assume that incorporating MarkSharks into a school's curriculum is an easy process?
Yes, relatively easy. Initially हमारे teachers ने use किया, फिर बच्चों ने use किया, हम parents को समझाया. After that, it was easy, कोई problem नहीं आया. बहुत अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म है MarkSharks. हमें टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ, वक्त के साथ टेक्नोलॉजी पे अडैप्ट करना पड़ेगा. बी ब्रेव और कर दीजिए.
So there we have it. The response to MarkSharks at Vinay Public School has been largely positive. Teachers are finding MarkSharks extremely helpful in their classes, noting an overall improvement of the class average. And the administration has found the process of incorporating MarkSharks relatively easy.
Thank you, MarkSharks.
Thank you, MarkSharks.
Thank you, MarkSharks.
Thank you, Vinay Public School, for your faith in MarkSharks. We are overjoyed to be a part of your ethos in helping students be the best that they can be. Until then, stay tuned for further content and similar stories as they unfold on our YouTube channel, Facebook, and Instagram. Be sure to follow and subscribe to MarkSharks to be a part of our journey into the future of education. MarkSharks, learning by doing.